Could that 2006 Sacagawea dollar in your pocket be worth thousands? Hey everyone, have you ever come across a 2006 Sacagawea dollar and wondered if it's valuable? While most of these coins are common, some rare high-grade examples have sold for thousands of dollars at auctions. But how do you know if yours is special? Let's take a closer look. What makes this coin valuable? Right away, we notice the bold strike, sharp details, and radiant golden luster, all signs of a well-preserved coin. However, even the smallest imperfections can affect its grade and value. This particular specimen is likely in mint state 65 or 66, which means it's worth around $7. But what if you find one in mint state 68? That's where things get interesting. What's the difference between a $7 coin and a $4,000 coin? The key factor is condition. For a 2060 Sacagawea dollar to reach auction-level prices, it needs to be nearly flawless, graded MS 68 or higher. To put this into perspective, one such coin, graded MS 68 by PCGS, sold for a staggering $4,325 at heritage auctions. How rare are these high-grade coins? Extremely rare. Out of the 2.8 million 2006 Sacagawea dollars minted, only 3 have been certified as MS 68. That's why collectors are willing to pay a premium for these top-tier specimens. How can you tell if your coin is valuable? If you have a 2006 Sacagawea dollar, check for these signs. Strong strike with sharp design details. Bright, lustrous surfaces with minimal marks. No significant abrasions or scratches. If your coin meets these criteria, it could be worth submitting to a grading service like PCGS or NGC. Final thought. Should you check your coins? Absolutely. You never know when you might have a hidden treasure. A simple pocket change discovery could turn into a valuable collectible. So next time you come across a 2006 Sacagawea dollar, take a closer look. You might just be holding a small fortune.